So let me tell you how liabilities can affect your personal finance. Liability can impact your credit score. When your credit score gets affected, it gets difficult for you to borrow money from the bank or from financial institution. In turn, makes it difficult for you to have any money saved or make it difficult for you to hold cash for a long period of time. Another impact to your finance is your ability to manage debts. When your liability, or should I say when your debt gets out of control, your interest gets higher when it comes to borrowing money from financial institutions. It becomes difficult for you to borrow money from the bank for emergency situations. It will also be difficult for you to borrow money from people around you because they know you can't manage money. Another thing that can be affected are financial goals. Your financial goals become harder to achieve because majority, or should I say some of your money are going towards debt repayment instead of saving or investment. This in turn makes it difficult to plan for short goals or building wealth for the longer term.